Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Boss MCQ Part 32. I encourage you to learn, to like, to share, and to subscribe. Which of the following substances are stored in the liver? A. Fats. B. Glucose. C. Starch. D. Glycogen. And the answer is D. Glycogen. Short-sightedness is corrected by A. Biconcave lens. B. Convex lens. C. Concave lens. D. Biconvex lens. And the answer is concave lens. Which one of the following reproduces by sporangiospores? A. Amoeba. B. Rhizopus. C. Spirogyra D. Yeast. And the answer is B. Rhizopus. In the human mouth, bitter things are tasted A. At the back of the mouth. B. At the tip of the mouth. C. On the palate. D. In the center of the tongue. And the answer is A. At the back of the mouth. The largest section of the human brain is the A. Medulla oblongata. B. Cerebellum. C. Cerebrum. D. Optical lobes. And the answer is cerebrum. Which type of soil promotes capillarity most? A. Loam soil. B. Sandy soil. C. Clay soil. D. Gravel. And the answer is C. Clay soil. A person with blood group AB can donate blood to a person of blood group A, B, AB, C, O, D, B. And the answer is B, AB. An example of continuous variation is A. Presence of mates and females in a community. B. Hate in individuals. C. Blood groups. D. Ability and inability to roll the tongue. And the answer is B. Hate in individuals. In the human body, urea is produced in the A. Spleen. B. Kidney nephrons. C. Liver. D. Ileum. And the answer is C. Liver. In the human beings, the white blood cells are made in A. Spleen. B. Liver. C. Bone marrow. D. Lymphatic. And the answer is D. Lymphatic. The tracheal system of air transport exists in A. Earthworms. B. Insects. C. Arachnids. D. Miliopods. And the answer is B. Insects. The ratio of volume of carbon dioxide over volume of oxygen consumed during the same time in an organism is called A. Respiratory quotient. B. Diffusion gradient. C. Gaseous constant. D. Respirate rate. And the answer is A. Respiratory quotient. Color vision in human beings is made possible by A. The lens. B. The cornea. C. The rods. D. The cones. And the answer is D. The cones. The concentration of the plant hormone which stimulates shoot growth. A. Stimulates growth of lateral roots. B. Stimulates root growth. C. Inhibits root growth. D. Inhibits growth of apical buds. And the answer is C. Inhibits root growth. Zygospores are A. Asexual reproductive structures of Spirogyra. B. Asexual reproductive structures of fungi. C. Sexual reproductive structures of fungi. D. Sexual reproductive structures of Spirogyra. And the answer is D. Sexual reproductive structures of Spirogyra. Which pair of bones belong to human forearm? A. Humerus and radius. B. Fibulus and tibia. C. Ulna and tibia. D. Femur and radius. And the answer is A. Humerus and radius. In mammals, the embryo is contained in the A. Uterus. B. Amnion. C. Placenta. D. Luteum. And the answer is B. Amnion. Chemical breakdown of lactose yields A. Glucose and fructose. B. Glucose and galactose. C. 2 molecules. D. Maltose and fructose. And the answer is B. Glucose and galactose. Which of the following animals can use their skins as respiratory surfaces? A. Frogs and earthworms. B. Frogs and tadpoles. C. Lizards and fish. D. Fish and tadpoles. And the answer is B. Frogs and tadpoles. Which of the following substances are filtered through the glomerulus? A. Amino acids and red blood cells. B. Urea and amino acids. C. Proteins and urea. D. Red blood cells and proteins. And the answer is B. Urea and amino acids. Dear friends, thank you very much for participating in Biology Boss MCQ Part 32. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.